One of the things that fascinates me is shame. Feel less than or separate from. And what is the neurobiology behind that? How does that happen? And one of the things you should know is that until you're 2 years old, basically almost all of your brain development is on the right side of your brain, which is movement, motion, feelings. And those memories, what you fire together wires together. So those memories get encoded into neural pathways. They're felt memories. So you didn't assign vocabulary to them. And between the ages of 18 and 24, basically you get a signal non-verbally that this was not somehow less than and separate from. You did something that wasn't right. And what happens in that immediately triggers your autonomic nervous system. My safety and belonging now is in jeopardy, and it sets up this neural pathways, and your autonomic nervous system has two subsystems, the SNS and the PNS. The SNS is kind of the gas pedal, the fire alarm, you're in trouble, or I love this, I'm going to do it, but it is a gas pedal. And the SNS calms you down. And what happens with the PNS is that the SNS, it will go off, and then one of the things that will happen is you'll be like, oh, okay, oh, I feel bad. Your eyes drop, you feel bad, you're ashamed. And it cannot occur. Shame occurs three things have to be present for shame to occur. Number one, people. Shame doesn't occur alone, very rarely, okay? Number two, it happens when you are basically in one emotional state and you shift to another. Almost always you're in this relaxed, happy kind of thing. Something happens, bang, and you drop right into this set of neural networks that activate your SNS, your autonomic nervous system. Your eyes drop, your stomach feels heavy, and what you want to do is be alone. And what it really does is disables your prefrontal cortex. So you can't think. You just, quote unquote, feel bad. And you don't really know why, because the early experience where you learned it didn't assign any vocabulary. It's a fascinating thing.